Hello you all, welcome to Journey with Shar on this lovely Monday. We come to you today because we're going to be doing a taste test soon, and I'm going to show you what all we're going to be tasting tonight. So we're going to be tasting the Kimbap. Then we're going to be tasting this. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, y'all. And excuse the stuff in the back. I'm moving stuff into storage and gathering stuff. I've been doing that for a while, so what? My business. Anyway, we're going to be tasting this. Okay. And I have cooked this before. I'm not going to show you. I will link the videos down below if you want to see how I prepared the chicken and the beef and broccoli. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Beef and broccoli, yum, yum, yum. And the chicken is in the oven. You can put this on top of the stove, or you can just put it in the oven and let it cook itself in the oven. So, I mean, let it warm up nicely in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So that will be our taste test tonight. I'm so excited about trying the Kimbap. I have never tried it before, and I'm just gonna do it in its, I know you clip the corners, you put it in the microwave for a certain amount of time. I will let you all know. I think, yeah, you clip the corners, cut the corner of the package, heat on high for 2 minutes only, let stand for 1 minute, and remove Kimbap from package. Can be enjoyed hot or cold once heated from frozen. Okay, so we're gonna try it. And I have some kimchi I'm going to be trying with this too as well, because I love kimchi. All right, you also stay tuned for that, the Kimbap taste test. Stay tuned, what everybody's raving about. And y'all, they actually have no more. They literally have no more in the store, y'all. So she was happy that we were able to get our hands on one. All right, so you all stay tuned. Guys, so I cut the corner. It's for 2 minutes, not 2.5. Okay, so for 2 minutes. Also, now we're getting ready to prepare this. And like I said, I am not going to put this in the microwave. So I'm going to do stovetop. So that's place 3 tablespoons of water and frozen, whatever this is, in a skillet, heat over medium for about 3 minutes until the noodles and vegetables are warmed through and added water is reduced. Okay, so that's what we're about to do now. And I wanted to show you all what the beef and broccoli looks like. Yum, yum, yum. All right, so now let's get this prepared. We just need 3 tablespoons of water in a skillet, and I'll get going. So let me just open it. Ma, can you get that skillet real quick? Yeah. Oh, look how beautiful that is. That looks really fresh, y'all. Okay. So I've never had these kind of noodles. I just saw a girl, she was a Korean girl, really lovely looking girl, pretty girl. She was on one of the channels trying this, and she had these noodles. So I said, well, then let me get it. They even had it where you can take the Kimbap and you get egg and you fry a little bit of it with the egg. I don't know if I'm gonna do that tonight, but I might. I don't know. We haven't decided yet. But anyway, so that is the noodles. And once mommy brings the skillet over, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of water, and we're gonna go ahead and let this warm up. So y'all stay tuned. All right, you all. So let's just take this out. It's been a couple of minutes. And everyone says that this looks authentic and really good. It's very pretty. It's still warm, but I'm gonna get some kimchi and get a plate ready so you all can see what we're gonna be eating with this. But oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, look. So beautiful. All right, can't wait to taste it. You all stay tuned. One thing we don't have is chopsticks. We do, but I have them in storage, and I said I should have stopped by the store and got some chopsticks, because I'm learning how to eat with chopsticks, and I just think if I'm going to taste something, I wanted to try it with the chopsticks. So we're going to go ahead on. We don't have the chopsticks tonight, y'all. So sorry. But what I'm going to do, I want to get an egg and I want to try it. I'm looking at this video right here, and he's frying some with eggs. So why not try a couple with some eggs? And that's what we're going to do. So Joshua, can you get the avocado oil? And we just gonna do a couple, not all of them, just a couple. And we're going to go ahead on and put one there with the egg. We're gonna try a couple. So we'll try like 3 with the egg, okay, you guys? Maybe 4. All right, y'all, so we're gonna let that cook. In the meantime, let's taste it. My family is tasting it in the background, y'all, because they're just like, I'm gonna feel really bad. You want to get some soy sauce, and I have some kimchi, y'all. She eats kimchi every day, so It's about almost done. And put a little bit of soy sauce in here. This is a new little container. I'm gonna put some soy sauce in here. Okay, Joshua's trying it now. My son is trying it first. Joshua said it is good. Listen, Joshua don't like nobody's nothing. He thinks this is sushi. It's not sushi. And let me tell you, he said it's good. So, you guys, I'm so excited. We're almost done with the fried egg ones. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit more. He's going in. So this is what, is it good? Mm-hmm. This is what it looks like up close, you guys. Don't mind me, it's a little hot here in the neck of the woods. That's a lot of sauce. I don't know if I want that much sauce, but okay, here we go. Can I see that fork right quick? A fork. Mmm. Have you tried it, Mom? Try one. Okay, you guys. That is pretty good. I don't know what the original one. Maybe I should have tried it to see, but let me see how this tastes.
I love those.
Did you taste the glass noodles?
Oh, I love those. We used to.
Oh
my gosh.
Okay, y'all. Let me let you see what it looks like. So that's the glass noodles, and we love them. Mama, can you pass me that kimchi? Ooh, that's my kimchi. Joshua's going for a second one. Y'all, my son's real picky about his what he eats, and let me tell you, for him to taste that kimbap and like it. So now I want original. Now I want to see with the original, because you had a lot of people saying then you had some people say it tastes just like it. Yeah. And this is tofu. Y'all know it's tofu. So some people were saying that it was too sweet. It's not supposed to be sweet like this. So I don't know. But it is absolutely delicious. And what I think we should do is go get some original kimbap from a Korean place to see exactly how this tastes, because this is amazing. Y'all, what I'm tasting tonight, I don't have anything to compare it with. I give it 2 stars, 1 to 10. I give it a 10. Well, at least let me say a 9. Okay, since I don't know what the original tastes like. Okay, so I'm gonna flip the ones with eggs, and I'll show you guys what that looks like in just a moment, and we'll be done. Stay tuned. You guys, don't sleep on the Asian food at Trader Joe's, because they really have some good Asian food. This is the beef. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna try to make this myself though. It's so tender, huh? And this is the chicken. Y'all see that chicken? It's got one of the glossy noodles on it. It just melts in your mouth. So I'm flipping over the kimbap. Kimbap. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. So I flipped over the kimbap with the eggs. Kimbap. Y'all, hopefully I'm not saying it wrong. But this one I wanted to flip it over that way just to get the egg on the side. Josh, what do you give the kimbap? Joshua gives it a 9, y'all. So when it comes back in October, we're gonna get a couple of Joshua gives it a 9. This is what I'm drinking tonight. Okay, almost finished with the egg one. Almost done. We're gonna try it. All right, you all. I have the one here with the egg. Okay, so that's how it looks with the egg on it, and we're going to try it. You all, excuse me, I have coconut oil. Coconut oil is good for your skin. All right, y'all, so let's see what the kimbap is. Yes, okay, let's try it. It tastes fantastic with the eggs, y'all. With the egg on it. All right, y'all. So that is it for this taste test today. Trying the kimbap for you guys. My family absolutely love it. Everyone gives it 2 thumbs up. Joshua gives it a 9. I give it a 9. Mommy, what do you give it? Everybody gives it a 9, and we only gave it a 9 because we don't know what an original kimbap tastes like. All right, and we're looking to go try that at a Korean restaurant. We have so many here in Los Angeles. So anyway, thank you so much for tuning in to Journey with Shar. But if this is your first time ever seeing my channel and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, it will alert you, and you all can come and check me out and see what I am doing. All right, you all make sure you go and check out Shar's Adventures TV. I will put the link down below. That is my channel where I go to Disney and little fun trips like that. Those of you who like that, you can go there and enjoy that content. And also, please hit that like button. It does push me up in the algorithm. Is that what it's called, Joshua? And YouTube will push my channels up where more people can come and view my content. And also that thumbs up and that comment down below. Let me know, have you tried this? Were you able to get your hands on one channel? They were selling out everywhere, okay? They are completely sold out until October 25th. All right, so let me know what you think about the taste test, and have you ever tried it, and did you think that it tastes like the original? All right, you all, so thank you so much for tuning in. Be blessed. Remember, be kind to one another, love one another, and remember, always trust God, keep him first, and he'll always lead you in the right direction. Bon appetit. Bye-bye. I got food in my mouth. Bye-bye.